Before we step into the breathtaking but unpredictable world of snow-covered mountains, it's crucial to understand one of the biggest hazards we may face: avalanches. These powerful natural forces can strike without warning, making knowledge and preparation key to survival. In this session, we'll cover what avalanches are and their types, natural and human-made causes, essential safety equipment for avalanche preparedness. What is an avalanche? An avalanche is a sudden and rapid flow of snow down a slope, often triggered by natural factors or human activity. Avalanches can be deadly, moving at speeds over 80 miles per hour, 130 kilometers per hour, and burying everything in their path. Types of avalanches. Loose snow avalanche. Avalanche starts from a single point and fans out as it descends, usually triggered by new snowfall on steep slopes too. Slab avalanche, most dangerous, occurs when a large, cohesive layer of snow breaks off. Can be triggered by a skier, snowboarder, or weak snow layers beneath 3. Powder snow avalanche. High-speed, airborne avalanches that create a cloud of snow, often triggered by heavy snowfall or wind. 4. Wet snow avalanche, caused by melting snow or rain weakening the snowpack, slower than dry snow. Avalanches but heavy and destructive via fire. Cornice collapse. Happens when an overhanging mass of snow at a ridge breaks off. Can trigger larger avalanches below 6. Glide avalanche. Slow movement of an entire snowpack due to melting at the base. Difficult to predict and can release at any time. Causes of avalanches. Natural causes: heavy snowfall or rapid accumulation, strong winds that deposit snow unevenly, rain weakening the snowpack, sudden temperature rise leading to melting, earthquakes or natural vibrations. Man-made causes: skiers, snowboarders, or climbers disturbing weak layers, explosions, noise, or sudden movements, poorly planned construction or deforestation. Essential safety equipment before entering the snow. A1. Avalanche transceiver, AVD devices, sends and receives signals to locate buried victims. Every team member must carry one and know how to use it too. Probe pole, a collapsible pole to physically locate buried individuals. 3. Shovel, lightweight but sturdy, essential for digging out avalanche victims. 4. Avalanche airbag system, ABS backpack, inflates during an avalanche to keep you near the surface. 5. Helmet and protective gear, reduces injury risk from falling debris. 6. Ready Reckoner / avalanche forecast reports. Check the avalanche danger levels before heading out. Follow local weather advisories and avalanche bulletins. 7. Emergency whistle and GPS car radio communication, helps in locating and signaling rescuers. First aid kit, essential for treating injuries in remote areas. Final check before entering snow terrain. Check the avalanche forecast and ready Reckoner reports. Equip yourself with avalanche safety gear, travel in groups, and maintain visual conning.